All right, my name is Terry Bowler with Best Choice Roofing. We're out here on one of our clients' roofs. As you can see, we got a crease shingle right here. Gonna have to replace this full shingle. Gonna take the utmost care on it. Gonna go ahead and get started. All right, got the shingles unsealed. Got the snake tool right here. It's required by State Farm for us to utilize this snake tool when doing repairs so that we do not lift the shingles more than 45 degrees. You got any gloves?
No. It's hot.
It's very hot.
I don't know. That's why you don't like doing this sound, don't you? So I just want to point out a few things just from pulling the old shingle out. As you can see, there's some mat transfer here on the sealant and on this shingle as well. Man, your brightness is terrible. I can't see anything on this phone. But you can see it though. They'll be able to see it. It's probably because of my screen protector on it.
Bunch of mat transfer. That's already a clear indication that repairs will not suffice on preventing consequential damages to this home or any further damages. Definitely not bringing it back to pre-loss conditions. Just let it fall. Never chase after anything on the roof.
Did it fall. You got a cut right there on one of the shingles.
can see it's already you can already tell it's a different size.
Oh wait.
A little bit, not much.
All right.
Let's see here. Let's see if there's any other. I'm gonna shut down the rest of the mat transfer before we continue. So you got mat transfer right here. That's quite a bit of it. None right there. I got a little bit here. And then over here as well.
It's hot, my boy.
Extremely hot.
But it's good for your
Body. Where's
body.
my hammer's so small I can't see it.
No, the race man's gonna breathe. Tell him breathe.
All right. All right. Not a whole lot of creasing. Probably got a little bit on this one right here. Definitely a ton of mat transfer though. Got some tears right here. Hold on, let me get my. Got some tears right there. Mat transfer. Had a bunch of granules. Definitely failed as far as pliability goes with all the mat transfer on it and the two tears right here. So BCR out. Thank you.